The Black&Decker BEG110 750 watts and BEG010 710 watts electric angle grinders are designed for similar applications such as cutting, grinding, and polishing. The Black&Decker BEG110 has a slightly higher power output versus Black&Decker BEG010. This means it may perform better for heavier-duty tasks or when operating continuously over longer periods, and BEG010 is more for lighter or occasional DIY tasks. The process of installing a cutting disc on the Black&Decker BEG010 710 watts and Black&Decker BEG110 750 watts is largely similar, as both models use a 115mm disc and are designed with comparable assembly mechanisms. Both grinders are compact, but the BEG110 may offer slightly better ergonomics for prolonged use due to its improved grip. The BEG010 is more affordable, making it a good choice for budget buyers. Both angle grinders have no-volt release switch which prevents the unit from starting unintentionally when locked on. Switch must consciously reset before power is delivered. Installation steps for both models. Ensure the grinder is unplugged from the power supply. Lay the angle grinder on a stable, flat surface with the spindle facing upward. Press the spindle lock button, located near the spindle. Rotate the spindle manually until the lock engages, preventing further rotation. Position the cutting disc on the inner flange, ensuring the hole in the center of the disc aligns with the spindle. Check the disc orientation for proper installation, particularly if it has a directional arrow. Replace the outer flange nut on the spindle. Tighten it by hand initially, then use the spanner wrench to secure it snugly. Avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the disc. Spin the disc manually to ensure it rotates freely and doesn't wobble. Reinstall and adjust the protective guard to cover the cutting area appropriately. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.